Hi, ma'am. So, Sayaka and I are having our OJT in the Universal Robina Corporation under the Quality Control Department. And I am going to report about the crude protein analysis using the Caldwell method. So, it covers and is applicable for the determination of nitrogen in feeds, which mostly are our samples. And so, the principle behind this is that crude protein is a conventional expression for the total content of nitrogenous compound of the analyzed product. Its organic matter, the organic matter of the sample is oxidized with concentrated sulfuric acid in the presence of a catalyst. So the product of the reaction is ammonium sulfate, which is treated with an alkali, and this free ammonia is distilled and titrated. So I am going to give a short background about the Caldwell method. It is the standard method of nitrogen determination dating back to its development in the late 1800s. This method consists of three basic steps. So first is the digestion of the sample in the sulfuric acid with a catalyst, which results to the conversion of nitrogen to ammonia. Second is the distillation of the ammonia into a trapping solution. The third is the quantification of the ammonia by titration with the standard solution. These three are the three basic steps of the Caldwell method. So for the apparatus and materials, we use digestion heaters with a fume hood, and uh, and next is burette, analytical balance, spatula, beaker or Erlenmeyer flask, filter paper, and graduated cylinder, and the Caldwell flask. So the reagents used are 45% sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid 93 to 98% nitrogen free, potassium sulfate nitrogen free, copper sulfate, boric acid with mixed indicator solution, sulfuric acid solution, which is 0.02 normal. So for the methodology, first, we weigh 0.5 grams of the sample in a filter paper, which is ashless. So next, drop it into the Caldwell flask, which is 800 ml. Then add a powdered potassium sulfate or anhydrous sodium sulfate. Next, add concentrated sulfuric acid 20 to 30 ml, and it depends on the type of feeds used. There are low and high protein content depending on them. So next, add copper sulfate, uh, which is what we use as a catalyst, and then add the concentrated sulfuric acid. After that, digest or boil until colorless solution is obtained. Then cool it down. After a few minutes, add water with frequent shaking, then cool after distillation. Add the dilute NaOH to form two liquid layers. So next, drop several pieces of granulated zinc and connect, and then mix by gently swirling the flask. Distill in 50 ml acid as receiver and 50 grams boric acid, then titrate with sulfuric acid. So for the calculations, crude protein is equal to normality of acid times the volume of acid used for titration times 6.25, which is the factor of the titrant used for the titration divided by the weight of the sample. So the methods are shown in the PowerPoint. We have pictures taken with every step that we did to do this experiment. That's all. Thank you.